Hello from Flores, Guatemala. I wanted to share something that has been a game changer on this trip for us, something that I bring on every international trip and even camping. It's a rechargeable cordless blender. So it's kind of annoying to like wake up and have to go figure out breakfast. So what we do is we have smoothies first thing, and then our protein needs, our nutrient needs are met for like the beginning of the morning because of this guy. So what I do is I make a mix of the stuff that I put in my smoothies at home. There's an organic unflavored pea protein in here. There's collagen, creatine. There's L-glutamine. We've also got what's it called? A nitric oxide precursor. I don't remember. Very tired from an overnight bus. But this is what I bring with me. I should have put some green powder in here. Usually I do, but I forgot. But that's a really great boost as well. So this guy is fantastic. It's cordless. You can recharge it with a USB-C, which is the same cord that we use for the phone and the Kindle and everything. So super duper handy. So I'm going to put a couple of scoops in here. Oops, this is measured. So you can use flavored protein, whatever you want. But this is a really powerful little blender. You can even put like bananas in here. You can put fruits that you get the day before. Yesterday my kid didn't have enough food, so I took one of his like nutrition bars, Cliff bars, and I dropped it in there for extra flavor for him, so that he was good to eat that. But this one is just going to be plain pura. Oh, I'm going to put in a little bit of raw local honey, which is really good. A lot of times I will get some kind of like, I don't know, some sniffles or something when I'm traveling, and it's, because of like different pollens that are in the air. So this really helps with that. Nice local honey makes it delicious as well. Pop that in there. If it wasn't on video, I would have rubbed that extra honey on my face. It's so good for you. Okay, put it on, and I'm going to blend it up. Okay, it thinks that oh, there we go. It wasn't screwed on all the way. So double click, and then I get a pulse. Single click, it just turns on and stays on. But I don't really need it just for the powders, but if you're doing something super thick, what I like to do is pulse it and then shake it. Like that. And it takes everything. Okay, a little more. Good to go. So you can carry this with you if you want. I always just like take off the top and drink it like it's a cup. Cheers.
So it just so happens that all of the powders that I use equal exactly 2 scoops of this guy. So 1 scoop is for the protein, and then I just kind of looked at the serving sizes, added up the grams, and everything else that I put in there added to exactly the same size as a scoop. So my smoothie is 2 scoops. And if you just have to do like 2.5 scoops or whatever, you're good. You just make a little bit of extra. So what I did was I just grabbed my bag and we're out for 10 days, so I did 10 scoops of each thing, mixed it up, and I actually lost it. I used it for something else, but I used a second Ziploc bag on the outside, not only to protect it in case something happens to this, but also for the scoop, so that you don't have to reach in and grab a powdery scoop. That's even better than home, right?
Okay, here I have bananas and mangoes. So I take a lot of vitamins. I'll forget if I don't take them first thing in the morning, like put them in my pocket and start going to town. So a lot of times you need to take vitamins with food. The niacin that I take, food really helps to minimize the rash. And so, breakfast, I'm good to go.
Okay, all done. To clean it, really easy. It comes apart in 3 parts. And you can just rinse it. Use a little soap if you have it. So if you don't have access to a sink or running water, then you could just put soapy water in there and turn it on, you know, and shake it up and then mix it up that way. Then there's room to put stuff inside of it, so it actually doesn't take up that much room in your luggage. What I have inside is local honey, which is really important for preventing allergies while traveling. So our plane was delayed almost 2 hours, and then we ran out of fuel, so we were at the wrong airport. So it's late, we're hungry, but guess what I have right here? So I'm gonna make some smoothies right here on the plane. This is actually our second one. Everybody's a little bit jealous of us that's around us. That's the last of the protein powder. Got our honey. And some water. So on the way back from Guatemala, a TSA agent at DFW actually took my blender. I've traveled with it hundreds of times. It's never been a problem, but I guess that's the risk you run. So I went to go buy another one. The one that I bought is no longer available. So I bought a few others to try them out, and I found this one was great. So it's on sale right now, $4.50 off, so it's about 25 bucks. It's available in 3 different colors. The purple is not really purple, it's kind of gray, but it still makes a delightful smoothie. So I'll leave a link to this one in the comments, and yeah, happy traveling.